Interior door trends, 2025. Interior doors are no longer just functional, they're design statements. In 2025, doors are doing more than opening and closing. They're defining spaces. Let's break down what's trending this year and what's headed for the exit. First up, minimalist slab doors are taking the lead. Sleek, flush, and clean-lined, these doors scream sophistication. No panels, no fuss, just smooth, uninterrupted surface. Matte finishes are dominating. Gloss is out, matte is in. Think velvet-like texture in neutrals and earth tones. Taupe, sage green, and soft charcoal are everywhere. Black interior doors are holding strong in 2025. They create contrast, frame a room, and add drama without overwhelming it. Natural wood tones are surging, especially white oak and walnut. Stained, not painted. Let the grain shine through. It's about organic warmth and timeless texture. Glass panel doors? Big yes, especially with fluted or reeded glass. They offer privacy without sacrificing light. Perfect for home offices or laundry rooms. Arched doors are making a huge comeback. That soft curve adds architectural charm and a custom-built feel. Expect to see arches in both traditional and modern spaces. Pocket doors are having a moment, again. With open concept fatigue setting in, people want flexible separation. And pocket doors save space while looking sleek. Bold color accents on doors are emerging in high-design homes. Deep teal, rust, even muted mustard. Use sparingly but effectively. Think of it as a pop of personality in a neutral room. Doors with integrated hardware are trending. No more bulky knobs or handles, just streamlined insets and touch latch systems. Think luxury, think innovation. Sustainable materials are on the rise. Bamboo, recycled wood, and FSC-certified cores are in demand. Design meets conscience, finally. Pivot doors are showing up in high-end interiors. They rotate on a central axis, creating drama and flow. It's like architecture meets engineering in one seamless movement. Barn doors? Sorry, they're officially out. They had their moment, but now feel overdone and too farmhouse-specific. Paneled shaker doors are evolving. Slimmer rails, flatter profiles, and modern proportions are key. It's tradition reimagined for contemporary tastes. Metal frame doors are gaining traction. Black steel frames with clear or frosted glass bring an industrial chic edge. Perfect for modern lofts or stylish home offices. Smart doors? They're on the horizon. Doors with built-in locks, lighting, or motion sensors are entering the conversation. Functionality is meeting form like never before. Texture is trending, especially linen finishes and subtle embossing. These tactile surfaces add depth without screaming for attention. Double doors are making a luxe statement in primary suites and entryways.